downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People, devices. See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DedSec. The more followers download our app, the more intel we get. It's the circle of life.
And see if you can find some components to help us with our research. It's the merchant. The app is your data mining tool.
Okay, I got this. So what now?
Up to you, man. You're free to do whatever catches your eye. We post ops in the DedSec app, and doing them helps us get followed.
What? I got Primate on me too?
Whatever you're up to, you got their attention. You can try out running them and the car. Take care of it.
Hello? I think I've lost the caller.
Bad idea.
They're hurt. Somebody dial 911. Squad, be advised that a possible suspect or suspects have been reported near your location.
We're tracking for ground units.
Male suspect with a gun. Repeat, suspect with a gun.
Weapons ready.
Suspect is out of sight. Still searching. Copy. I got all communities on alert for suspect. He's gotta be here. Doing another sweep. Over. We got an all-call squad. We're on the suspect.
Congrats, Marcus. Our follower count is growing fast.
How many are actually giving us access to their computers?
All of them. That's the point. They give us access to their power. We grow a network of computers that makes us stronger. Our own giant cloud computing nodes.
So do people sign a contract? I vow to let DedSec own my processor.
We're transparent. They know before they ever install the app that they're giving us access to their computing power. Whenever the person went.
That's a lot of trust. Silicon Valley would kill to have that level of intrusion. Private data farming runs their whole economy.
Hope we look out for our own, man. That's why people are joining our movement. To make a statement against the technocrats.
A patrol van's been dispatched after the suspect.
Where's Josh? I didn't know you.